My name's Damien, I live in the Penrith area. I think my main goal was to try and eliminate my power bill, and yeah, I just set about making sure I sized my system and searching for something that was also a battery and solar panel system that couples with a energy plan that made sure that I could get through and eliminate my power bill as best possible as I could. Probably the key one was wanting whole home backup, and our house is three-phase, and I was probably a Tesla Powerwall sort of person in my first thoughts, but having that three-phase whole home backup, it was what probably swayed me. One of my last bills, and this was before we had the latest increase in power prices, it was $1,870. Now that had a $75 credit, so it was up there. It was probably just over the 1900s, and I was calculating from my previous energy supplier's letter that was saying increases were coming at the beginning of July, and I was really looking at bills that were going to exceed $2,000, and I just thought that this is a perfect time to to get on board and get that big battery and do something about it. I've only had one full bill. I get billed in 28-day cycles, but I was negative $22 after that. So, that was my goal. I had a little bit of money set aside, and it was an amount of money I was willing to tip in, and it wasn't anywhere near enough, but because I had such sizable bills, I decided that I would investigate. I'd heard that there was, these interest-free loans around. I didn't know much about it, and then when I inquired through PSC, I found out that Plenty had this interest-free loan product, and so I tipped in a bit of money. The bulk of the money was then I took that interest-free loan over 5 years. And there's repayments every month, but compared to my bill, those repayments are now less than I would have been paying per month. So it sort of tipped a little cash flow back my favour, and once the system's completely paid off after the 5 years, then obviously all that money is then saved. Yeah, I had only a small system, about 4 kilowatts, and we were able to get that AC coupled along with a DC coupling of an extra 14.5. So I've got a lot of solar, and quite to my surprise, just due to the orientation of my roof, 50% of my new solar install was facing in probably the most unproductive direction, south-southeast, and that I found is quite beneficial. You get up in the morning and it doesn't take long, and you're producing a reasonable amount of solar straight up, and you've got that sort of a balance of solar throughout the whole day. Yep. And I've found that to be pretty good. I was initially looking around just to find energy suppliers and how it was going to integrate with the solar and battery system. I was particularly looking for something that would allow me to have a free window of energy to make sure, and then I've sized my inverter to make sure I could fill that battery up in that free window and make sure that I could have, well, in my case, 48 kilowatts to get through that evening into the morning, and then get to the start of that free window again. And pushing loads obviously into that free window as well to reduce the demands at other times of the day as well. I found it, you know, a little bit daunting at the start, but my biggest fear was I'd be touching things and messing things up and getting things out of sync. But really, it was for a lot of people are using apps and things for a lot of things these days, and I just started having a look around and doing a little bit of research, and yeah, it didn't take long to learn that you know, there is the potential to you know, to do things and, you know, shuffle things up, but you know, with a little bit of you know, learning, it didn't take too long, and I found it quite comfortable to use and pretty good information and everything coming back. And I found using the Sig app and not binding has enabled me to be able to have better granular control to make those decisions of exporting and you know, getting probably a little bit better bang for my buck sending it out, you know, using the Sig app. I've been looking around and I initially wanted to make sure that I felt there was a company that I'd dealt with. I wanted to make sure that I was sort of reverse engineering it. I've had some experiences with other things in the past, and I always sort of go in the, you know, and find if I have a warranty or an inquiry or something to do with what I'm doing, what I've installed, how's that going to be serviced? And that's where I found my comfort in making sure that I would be getting the service, you know, that I would be needing to you know, to make sure that the system was going to be up and running and working. So that's where I found my comfort.